Hey everyone, here is my tip of the day today. Bulletproof coffee is an excellent way of losing weight. It's a part of a ketogenic diet. Try and replace your breakfast every morning by a cup of bulletproof coffee. Take a mug of black coffee, no sugar, no cream, no milk. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of MCT oil, which is coconut oil, along with a small cube of either grass-fed butter or ghee in your coffee. Mix it and drink it. Both MCT oil and grass-fed butter are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, anti-inflammatories and antioxidants. Black coffee suppresses your appetite by reducing the amount of ghrelin, which is a hormone which gives you that high appetite. Try bulletproof coffee every morning. Thank you.